Once again, we back. Now all these new niggas trying to bust grapes, keep trying. I'm shitting all over your tapes and your CDs. You see these niggas with the weed leaves, you need these. Hill biggest to bust trigger, sicker, the rhyme spitter, spitting over the transmitter. I got double platinum records on the wall, while you got double cheeseburgers in your toilet stall. Cats wanna try me? You must be high, cause you having fucking illusions. No lie, what you using? Give me some of that shit. You faking it. Any little title you got, I'm taking it. You can't have it, you didn't earn it. Spit on your name, shit on it, and burn it. Suckers wanna floss and play the big boss. What movie you living in and how much did it cost? What role are you playing? I'm only saying, you're the record getting played and I'm DJing. Playing you and playing you, DKing you. I'm tired of breaking you. You're a weak asshole, punk, slow your roll. You're nothing but a clone with nothing to show. You're a weak asshole, need a style of your own. You're a weak asshole, you're a weak asshole. Punk ass nigga, carbon copying motherfucker. Punk nigga with no flow. You ain't shit. You're a weak asshole. Fuck your little record punk. Now look at her over there. Damn, looking all fine, shaking her ass, telling me to grab from behind. Please don't mind me, you'll find me rolling the pine trees, women asking to sign these. Well okay, but you're gonna get me in trouble. Nice ones, I gotta be out on the double. I'll be in that corner table with my homies, getting stony, trying to avoid the phonies. What you asking? Do I got plastic to buy you and your friends drinks? Do I have assets? Do I got a big home? Do I live alone? Can I use your cell phone? Feeling my bone. She wanna ride me, she wanna tie me around a tiny little finger and ride me blindly. I don't think so, you stink ho. The chain in your brain is missing a link ho. Please back up, I know you look good, but that ain't enough to get half of my stuff, bitch. That's right, you're a stank ho. You're a weak asshole, punk, slow your roll. You're nothing but a clone with nothing to show. You're a weak asshole, need a style of your own. You're a weak asshole, you're a weak asshole. Punk ass nigga. Here goes another example to begin it. With a twist like pussy, I'm in it. When I look at me, I look and see how long it took for you to throw the book at me. Damn, that shit hurts, but I put in work. These niggas are like germs, over the counter they lurk and smirk when you fall down. But I calm down and put the antibacterial assault down. Kill germs that want to test, they want the best. Comparing you to me is like a nigga to the cess. Never settle for stress, so whack rappers. I'm rocking out of the west and rocking the east after. Punk ass nigga. You're a bitch asshole, knocking on my door. Leave me alone, cause you got no soul. You're a bitch asshole, trick asshole.
Never trust you and won't discuss your loss. I'm the lead man. You read man, you need man. Call me and inhale the weed man. There it is, motherfuckers. You run out of weed. Call somebody like me and I'll hook you up. No stems, no seeds and things that you don't need. That's right, I'm the weed man. Don't trip, I got gush for a high price hoe.